This is Jatz's speech, Sons of Anarchy. There will be days when you're forced to make decisions that affect the lives of everyone you love. Choices that'll change you forever. You reach an age when you realize that being a man, it isn't about respect or strength. It's about being aware of all the things you touch. Children face inward and wallow on their own selfish needs. Men face out, take action on the needs of others. I will not do that today, boys. Today, I'm looking one of those decisions in the face. And it looks back at me with historical eyes. And it calls me a coward, a killer, a fraud. It wants me to crack and run from the service of my faith like a broken boy. Today, I will not do that. Today, I'll be the man my father tried to be. I'll make you proud.